What's up, guys? Today I'm going to share with you something pretty secret that is going to make a world of a difference for your YouTube channel. How to rank #1 on YouTube as a small channel. I've been able to rank #1 for some of the most highly searched topics on YouTube, even as a small channel, even when I was back at 1,000 subscribers, and now I've grown quite quickly just because of that fact. Because when you rank and people are watching your videos, obviously your channel is going to grow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you behind the scenes. I'm going to show you my screen and share with you how to rank #1 or rank high on YouTube for different search topics. Whether it be a highly searched topic or whether it be a very niche topic, this strategy works for everything, and I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do that. So let's get straight into the video. If you want a couple of examples, I've been able to rank #1 for Facebook ads in real estate, Instagram for real estate, ManyChat for real estate, LinkedIn for real estate, and all of those have people with channels that are 10 to 20 times the size of mine putting out content, but I rank higher than them. And now that I put out content that's specific to general entrepreneurs because my agency does that, not just real estate, I'm now able to rank for YouTube algorithm and other highly searched topics on YouTube. So don't make the assumption and the mistake of thinking that just because you've got a small channel that you're not going to be able to outrank and outperform people with 100,000, 50,000, a million subscribers, because we've proven it time and time again. Just the other day, we helped a client of ours that has 26 subscribers. They just started with us, outrank people with 1.24 million subscribers and 43,000 subscribers for the very same search topic, and is one of the most searched topics in the real estate space. And now we work with people in fitness, helping them rank as well, and across the board, across every single industry. So now I'm excited to share with you a step-by-step strategy of how you can actually get the same results. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you a step-by-step follow-along process of exactly how you can upload your YouTube video in order to rank top or even #1 as a small channel that's looking to grow. This is what's allowed me to now take a year to get to 1,000 subscribers, and now I'm growing by about 1,500 a month. So you're going to be able to implement this strategy. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing I want to show you is a bit of validation to confirm what I was talking to you about in the beginning. Is if we look at something like Facebook ads for real estate, we can see here I've got 3 of the top performing videos of something that's being searched. If we flick on this, which I'll get to in a second here, let's flick this on and see that this search term here, Facebook ads for real estate, 1,600 people per month searching for this. That's in my local area. You can see that I've got 3 of the top performing videos, and if you come down here, I've got another, and another, and you can see here that the top creator is in fact me. Even though some of these people have 10 times the size of YouTube channels of mine. Or if we go to Instagram ads, or Instagram for real estate, we will see again 1, 2, 3. Even though some other people have higher performing channels in terms of their subscribers. So you can see here again, you can see that the top creator is myself, and you can see that there's other channels that have much larger subscribers, 63,000, 22,000, and then there's myself. So let's talk about how we can do that, or how you can do that. Now, the first thing that I wanted to discuss is how to find the right video topic. Now, we're going to use an example on YouTube Algorithm 2020, because this is a video I recently put out. You can see I'm ranking 3rd in the world, above 1.1 million, just below 118,000. And then there's little old me with 6.43 thousand. So let's talk about this. The first thing that you need to do is download Keywords Everywhere, which is a Chrome plugin. And then what you want to do is you want to look up YouTube Algorithm 2020, which is kind of the general idea of your video topic. So what Keywords Everywhere does is it shows you all of the related keyword search terms based on what you just typed in. So you can see people are searching for, YouTube algorithm problems, cracking the YouTube algorithm, and the like. And you can also see a ton of articles, obviously by doing a Google search, saying, how does the YouTube algorithm work, understanding the algorithm, cracking the code, all this good stuff. So I like to do this for validation, to say, okay, there is people searching for this term, and it's a great video to make. Now, the next thing you want to do is, of course, look it up on YouTube. Now, when you look it up on YouTube, you're going to see a couple different things that are extremely important. #1, you want to see what the top performing videos are. And we're going to use this as an example as uploading a video from scratch. So we can see this one has done pretty well here, right? This is the newest one, aside from mine 2 weeks ago. You can see 4 months ago, and this is the title. So let's do this. We're going to click on this video and say, okay, here's the title of this video. YouTube Algorithm 2020 is performing really good. We're going to go ahead and copy this in here. How to get more views on YouTube. But obviously you don't want to use the same title as somebody else. So let's talk about how we can just slightly improve a title that's already, confirmed to work. So the way that I chose this title, if we go back to my video, is you can see how the YouTube algorithm works. So YouTube Algorithm 2020, how the YouTube algorithm works in 2020, and then maybe how to get more views, something like that. So I just, based on my own perspective, improved the title a little bit and didn't copy it. So now let's look at the next thing. We've got the description. So we can go back to this video. Maybe we'll open it in a new tab. And there's just a couple different pieces of information about how the YouTube algorithm works. So the way that I did it is, of course, I just made the YouTube algorithm description something with a bit more keywords. So I like to choose more keywords to make sure that it ranks a little bit better for a channel that's small, because when you've got a large channel, 118,000 subscribers, of course you can get away with not optimizing it to the nines and still perform very well. But as a smaller channel, you need to have it flooded with keywords. So mine is flooded with keywords. You got the YouTube algorithm in 2020, you've got YouTube algorithm hack, you've got small YouTube channel, get more views on your videos, how to get more subscribers, how to grow your channel, all keywords, all within this one little paragraph here. Okay, so that's what I chose, is something that had more keywords than the original video. Now let's look at the tags. So if you guys want the platform that allows me to look at their tags, I will pin it in the comment as well as in the description, or just comment below and I'll gladly send it to you. But you can see here what their tags are. Right? So I'm obviously, I didn't put artificial intelligence or AI, and I'm not Brian Johnson, but you can see a lot of the tags here that are ranking really well. So all you simply have to do is take their tags and, copy the majority of them, and then just find a way to make it a little bit better. So that's basically what I would do in order to ensure that the tags I'm using are proven based on how they're ranking related to the search term. But I would adjust a few of them, like I would get rid of this, I would get rid of this, I would get rid of any of the ones that aren't performing that well and replace them with ones that I think would perform a little bit better. Now, the final thing that you need to do is you need to look at the thumbnail. So this is a really tough one, because yes, thumbnails like this work really well. I've got a couple friends that use similar thumbnails where it's just a bright, bold, plain background with big text that stands out because it does pop. However, I care about the look of my YouTube channel, and I want to make sure that my thumbnails are basically have some level of consistency and branding to them. So even though this does work, so you can feel free to try that, I just don't like my profile to look at that. So let's get rid of this one and start here. So basically what I wanted to do is look at these ones and say, how can I stand out amongst these? You've got white background. Okay, let's go with the black background. You've got YouTube colors, which is the red. I'm going to go with the blue. So you need to make sure that in order to get the high click-through rate, that you choose a thumbnail that's actually going to stand out, that's going to separate you from the pack, so that when people are sifting through looking at the different thumbnails, that they actually click on yours versus the other ones that are here. Because Catherine Manning is great content. She's a great creator, but her thumbnails have a different design to them, and that works for her. It works really great. That's why she's got 118,000 subscribers and a ton of views. But I wanted to make sure that mine was just a little bit different, that stood out. Now, one thing that you need to look at as well in order to confirm that this is actually a good video topic is you can see that this is a good video to actually look at in terms of copying. Right? So I use this one just because it was the most relevant. If I was personally doing this myself, I would have went for Catherine's. The reason being is because you can see that Catherine has 118,000 subscribers, but this video has 329,000 views, which means that the video has more views than subscribers, which shows that more people watch this than people that subscribe to her, proving that the ranking worked and that her video was actually a great video to help grow her channel and also get ranking. So this, you always want to try and find a video that has more views than subscribers, proving that it was a really great video to rank with, even as a channel that's growing, because more new people found her, so she likely gained a lot of subscribers from this video. All right, guys, so there you have it. If you would like to know more about what we do to help people rank on YouTube, as well as turn their YouTube channel into a very successful and profitable additional income stream, I make well over $10,000 a month from YouTube, not directly on YouTube, but using the innovative strategies that we've created, then feel free to, again, comment below or reach out. More than happy to have a free strategy call with you, because I want to see you succeed. I want to see you crush on this platform. A lot of people are struggling, but it's really not that difficult. So this is our year. This is your year. It's time to grow, time to scale, time to make a lot more money, helping people, giving back, and making an impact. So again, guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Please give me a thumbs up. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.